Jessica Alba, one of the hottest Hollywood actresses who turned a business mogul. Several publications in early 2000 named her as one of the sexiest, hottest, most attractive women in the world, and a decade later, she still appears in the list of most beautiful a very age. For the last 2 decades, Jessica has gained worldwide fame in starring in the films such as Good Luck Chuck 2007, Sin City 2005, Into the Blue 2005, and Fantastic Four film and its sequels. Early life. Born Jessica Mary Alba, she is the daughter of an Air Force officer and Catherine Loisa, who gave birth to her in 1981 in the state of California. She has a younger brother who they were brought up within Claremont, California. Jessica went to a local elementary school and joined Claremont High School, where she graduated at the age of 16. Upon graduation, she joined Atlantic Theatre Company, where there is an acting school. Today she is the wife of Cash Warren since 2008, and together the couple have 2 daughters, but they are expecting a baby boy soon. Age, height and weight. Being born on 28 April 1981, Jessica Alba is 40 years old as of today's 19th November 2021. Her height is 1.69 meter tall and her weight is 56 kg in kilograms. Career. At the age of 5, Alba had already developed an interest in acting, and she would go to competitions where she would win prizes. But the best prize she won was a free acting class. Upon completion, she was signed by an agent at the age of 9, and her first role was in Camp No Hair film 1994, when she was 13 years. She went on the feature in several movies and also in comedy series The Secret World of Alex Mack, Flipper, Brooklyn South, Beverly Hills 90210, and The Love Boat, The Next Wave. Award and achievement. Apart from appearing in many publications as one of the sexy, most beautiful, hottest women on earth, she has won an Alma Award in the category of Breakthrough Actress of the Year 2001, Young Hollywood Award in the category of Superstar of Tomorrow 2005, Spike TV Guys Choice Award in the category of Hottest Jessica, and a Nickelodeon Kid Choice Award in the category of Favorite Female Movie Star. Net worth and salary Jessica Alba in 2021. As of November 2021, Jessica Alba net worth amounts to $220 million. The movie star turned mogul has crafted her way to the top. No wonder she is on the list of the richest self-made women. Her net worth fortune comes from her acting career, where she has earned over $120 million. Some of her recent payouts are Mechanic Resurrection 2016 $34 million. The Will 2016 $28 million. Barley Lethal $16 million, among others. To add to her wealth, she makes over $10 million from endorsement deals. But the big chunk of Jessica Alba net worth wealth has been contributed through her business returns, which the honest co-after valuation is valued at $1.7 billion. Jessica Alba is also a philanthropist. She is involved in donation of many charitable trusts in the world that aim at promoting education of children, provide health care services, provide essential commodities such as clothes and diapers, and many others.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And